I found someone who made $547 in 6 days using only ChatGPT. I reached out to them, got their exact strategy, and I'm sharing everything with you. No fluff, no fake claims, just the real methods that are working right now. Meet Sarah, a marketing coordinator from Phoenix who wanted to test if ChatGPT could actually generate real income. She gave herself 1 week and used 3 specific strategies. The results? $547 in 6 days, and I have the screenshots to prove it. But before I dive into Sarah's 3 methods, let me address the elephant in the room. You're probably thinking, this sounds too good to be true. I thought the same thing, which is why I spent 3 hours on a video call with Sarah, reviewing her actual earnings and testing her methods myself. Here's what she showed me: her Upwork profile with verified earnings, her Fiverr dashboard showing completed orders, her Etsy sales analytics, and most importantly, her bank account showing the deposits. This is real, and I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate it. Let's start with method number 1, AI-enhanced freelance writing. Now, here's where most people mess this up. They think they can just copy-paste ChatGPT responses and charge premium rates. That's not what Sarah did, and it's not what works. Sarah's exact process, step by step. First, she created a compelling Upwork profile. Her headline read, "Content Strategist using AI tools for 10x faster delivery." Notice she didn't hide the AI use. She made it a selling point. Her profile description emphasized results and speed. "I help businesses create high-converting content in half the time using cutting-edge AI tools combined with proven marketing strategy. My clients get better results faster." Step 2. Sarah identified her ideal clients. She filtered for small to medium businesses needing email marketing, blog posts, or social media content. She avoided large agencies that might have their own AI processes. Step 3. Her proposal strategy was genius. Instead of just bidding, she'd analyze the client's current content and create a sample improvement using ChatGPT. Her proposals included before and after examples showing how AI enhancement could improve their messaging. For example, when a fitness studio needed email campaigns, Sarah took their existing promotional email and rewrote it using this ChatGPT prompt. "Rewrite this fitness studio email to increase urgency and conversions, include emotional triggers, social proof, and a stronger call to action." She showed both versions in her proposal. The results? Her proposal response rate was 40% compared to the industry average of 5%. Clients could immediately see the value she provided. Step 4. Her delivery process. Sarah never sent raw ChatGPT output. She'd use AI to create the foundation, then add personal touches, industry insights, and client-specific customizations. A typical email sequence would take her 90 minutes instead of 6 hours. Her pricing strategy: she charged based on value delivered, not time spent. Email sequences: $75 to $125. Blog posts: $50 to $100. Social media packages: $200 to $400. Because she could deliver faster, her effective hourly rate was $65 to $80. Now, here's the part that surprised me most. Sarah tracked which ChatGPT prompts worked best for different types of content. She created a personal library of 47 proven prompts that consistently produced high-quality results. For email marketing, her go-to prompt was, "Create a 5-email welcome sequence for business type targeting, customer demographic. Include pain points, benefits, social proof, and progressive value delivery leading to specific offer." For blog posts, write a comprehensive blog post about topic for target audience. Include SEO keywords, actionable advice, examples, and a compelling conclusion with clear next steps. Method number 2, local business content creation. This is where Sarah really innovated. Instead of competing with thousands of freelancers online, she targeted businesses in her local area who barely had any online presence. Her research process: Sarah spent 2 hours on Google Maps and social media identifying local businesses with poor content, restaurants with no social media strategy, gyms posting blurry photos, real estate agents with generic content. She'd create 3 to 5 sample posts for each business using ChatGPT, then present them as free audits. Her approach email was simple. "Hi, name. I noticed business on Google and created some sample social media content that could help increase your local engagement. No cost, no obligation. Just want to show you what's possible." Her local business prompt formula: create engaging social media posts for local business type in city. Include local references, seasonal relevance, and calls to action that drive foot traffic. Make it conversational and community-focused. The key was localization. Instead of generic fitness posts, she'd create content like, "Phoenix heat got you down? Beat the summer with our early morning classes starting at 6 a.m. when it's only 78 degrees. Sarah landed her first client, a local bakery, with sample posts about seasonal ingredients and behind-the-scenes content. They paid $150 monthly for 12 posts, 4 Instagram stories, and weekly email newsletters. Her second client, a massage therapist, paid $200 monthly for content positioning her services as stress relief for busy professionals. Sarah used ChatGPT to research stress-related keywords and create educational content that attracted ideal clients. Method number 3, digital template creation. This became Sarah's most scalable income stream because she created once and sold repeatedly. Her market research process, Sarah used ChatGPT to identify common business problems by prompting, "What are the top 20 time-consuming tasks that small business owners struggle with?" Focus on tasks that could be solved with templates or systems. The AI highlighted email communication, customer onboarding, social media planning, and basic marketing as major pain points. Sarah decided to focus on email templates because they were quick to create and had immediate value. Her template creation process, she'd identify a specific scenario, like difficult customer situations, then prompt ChatGPT. Create 10 professional email templates for handling difficult customer situations, include de-escalation language, solution-oriented responses, and options for different severity levels. She'd then organize these into a professional PDF with customization instructions and sell them as difficult customer email templates, turn problems into opportunities for $12. Her most successful template pack was cold outreach emails that get responses. 15 templates for different industries. She created this in 45 minutes using prompts like, create cold email templates for B2B sales that get high response rates, include subject lines, personalization strategies, and follow-up sequences. The genius was in her packaging. Instead of selling generic templates, she created industry-specific versions. The same cold email template became real estate agent prospecting templates, fitness trainer client acquisition templates, and consulting services sales templates. Sarah's template sales strategy. She listed on Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachers Pay Teachers. She used ChatGPT to write compelling product descriptions and SEO-optimized titles. Her Etsy shop gained traction through social media promotion and customer reviews. Now, here's what most people miss when they try to replicate this. Sarah didn't just create random templates. She solved real problems she'd identified through her client work. Her templates were battle-tested solutions, not theoretical exercises. The numbers? Template sales started slow, $27 in the first week, but they grew to $171 in week 6 as customer reviews accumulated and search rankings improved. Sarah's projection? $500+ monthly in template sales within 3 months. Common mistakes I see people making when trying Sarah's approach. First, they underestimate the importance of market research. You can't just create what you think people need. You have to validate demand first. Second, they try to automate everything without adding human insight. The AI provides the foundation, but your experience and market knowledge make it valuable. Third, they give up too quickly. Sarah's first Upwork proposal was rejected. Her first template sold 0 copies for 2 weeks. Success came from persistence and optimization, not overnight magic. Your implementation roadmap. Week 1. Choose one method and set up your profiles or platforms. Week 2. Create your first samples or complete your first small project. Week 3. Refine your process and expand your offerings. Week 4. Scale what's working and eliminate what's not. Sarah's advice for beginners. Start with the method that feels most natural to your current skills. I chose freelance writing because I understood marketing. If you're good with local businesses, start there. If you're creative, try templates first. Most importantly, be patient with the learning curve. Sarah estimates it took her 20 hours to really understand how to use ChatGPT effectively for client work. But once she cracked the code, her productivity exploded. The bottom line, Sarah proved that ChatGPT can generate real income, but only when combined with strategic thinking, market knowledge, and consistent execution. The AI is the tool, not the strategy. Comment below which method you're planning to try first, and I'll share Sarah's actual prompts and templates to help you get started faster. And if you want to see more verified case studies of people building AI income streams, subscribe because I'm interviewing successful entrepreneurs every week. Next week, I'm sharing how Tom scaled his AI virtual assistance business to $8,000 monthly, including his exact client acquisition process and automation setup. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best strategy is the one you actually implement.